Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how I make this pen stand. So let's start the procedure. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. At first I take a soil glass like this. Then I take a flint paper. Now I rub the glass with this flint paper very slowly. Now you can see the difference between after and before effect. Now I pour the glass into the water. After 15 minutes I take the glass from the water and keep the glass for dry at least 1 hour. Now the glass is almost dry. I mix blue and white color. I color the whole glass with this mixture. I do the same process for 3 times. Second time. Third time. The color is dry. Now I draw the design of Warli Art in the glass by a graphite pencil. Now it is the time to start the color. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and share this video with your friends. And if you have any question, please comment below. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Thank you.